Hi, my today's topic is chronic fatigue or chronic tiredness. Well, how to get rid of it? I think the major cause is dehydration. You need to keep yourself hydrated. For this, you need to have plenty of water. In my next video, I will also discuss how to keep yourself hydrated. It's not enough to listen from everyone saying, please drink more water. Drink more water. It is good for your health. But how do you do it? Well, in my next video, I'm going to talk about this. So, chronic fatigue, Besides being hydrated and eating healthy, another important thing is to find out what you like to do. Yes, half of your fatigue goes away if you're doing a thing which you enjoy to do. And please learn to find out that one thing that makes you feel